What's going on? So today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is "She Shadow Boxed While Walking Towards a Cop." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Getting a person shot at 3334 Evergreen.
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. On March 21st, 2025, officers with the Key West Police Department responded to a call in reference to a woman refusing to leave a bar. Upon arrival, officers made contact with the suspect, a 44-year-old female named Heather.
Yeah, you got a D on you? Why are we closing a bar at Rick's?
I didn't.
You did.
I didn't mean to.
But you did. Multiple times.
Okay.
You called employees, racist
I
slurs.
apologize.
All right, let me get ID from you.
No.
What are you doing? What are you doing, man?
I don't want to go.
You're not going anywhere. We need your ID.
I didn't do nothing. I just asked for a cigarette.
All right, just let me get your ID. We'll have another officer go talk to the Rick's. Were you
I
trespass?
swear.
As what?
What are you doing?
Relax. Take a load off. Relax.
When'd you get out of
I
jail?
just,
You want to sit down? You can sit down.
I'm not going to jail.
I said, when did you
I will
get...
fight.
Okay.
Well, we're not going to fight, so settle down.
When did you get out of jail? Is what I'm asking you. Because I see the rosary around your neck, so I know you were in there recently. Because they hand those out inside the jail.
Charge 228.
You can answer the question, you're just going to ignore me.
Wait, these.
You know, everybody get religious in jail, so you know the little beads and stuff like that. You know, everybody turn Muslim, everybody turn, Christian, Catholic, whatever. You know what I mean? They turn whatever. That's when they hit rock bottom and they get inside of them four walls. All of a sudden they like, God, get me. They like this. This is what they like. God, get me out of here. I will never do anything bad ever again. I will be a model citizen, okay? I will be a model citizen. Please, just get me out of this situation this one time. Just please, I'm telling you, they get released and they back in there within a couple of months. You know what I'm saying? So, and that's the revolving door.
Number.
I didn't ask for your DOC number. It's a DOC, not DC.
I know a DC number.
Okay, what is it?
Oh my God, I can't remember it.
Well, you brought it up, not me.
Okay.
Are you bringing me now?
Do you still go to meetings?
Yes. I'm gonna go tomorrow.
Do you have anything on you? Can I look in your bag?
Sure.
Thank you. You got gloves on?
The sand in it, but that's about it.
You said sand?
I realized
Why you got sand? You building a
Were you
sandcastle?
trespass from Rick's? Did they trespass you
you
from
want me
Rick's?
to kick you in the face?
Please. I would love for you to.
God damn.
You don't want to talk to him?
Trespassing Riggs? I
What are you-
wanted to sing at Riggs. Shut up! Some people want to sing too.
Me too.
Not just about fucking trespassing. God damn. My brother's a drummer too.
What are you doing?
Boom boom.
You're only pissing yourself off
It's
now.
only about drumming and singing and music. F you. With all of it, man. You guys are
You're not
dumb.
free to go. Don't go nowhere.
I'm gonna sit right here. I got you, bro.
Put your hand on your back.
You're not going to do that to me. I will not allow you to do that to me, ma'am. You can do that to the Rick security, but not me.
Let's get her up.
Damn, what happened to the Rick security? Why he throwing shade at them? That's great. Come on, bro. Come on, brother. You better than that now. You better than that, man. You know what I'm saying? Because if you lose your job today or tomorrow, where's another spot that you can go? Be a security guard, okay? That's how I got my stomping grounds. Shit, I was a security guard first for a little bit, and then I became a correction officer. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, listen, don't shoot down the security guards now. Come on, they ain't do nothing to you.
We understand. What happened?
You were wrong.
I was wrong?
Yes.
All right. We'll leave it up to the supervisor.
Sir?
What happened?
She was like throwing punches like in the airport. She was acting insane. So.
Yeah, they said originally said she tackled somebody.
Apparently, she Stemage, the other guy, the shorter guy.
Yeah. Yeah, she was like shadow boxing and punching the walls, hiding behind the pole. She doesn't like Jay. So.
What did you guys get?
Her.
Yeah, I know, but like, what happened?
She like walked towards them like throwing punches.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He just took her to the ground. Put her in cuffs and threw her in the car. I think she relapsed. She has a little AANA.
No.
What was it?
She was on release for no alcohol.
Oh, she got a bottle of alcohol right there.
Are you supposed to be drinking alcohol?
A little bit.
Really? You're on special release for that?
Yeah, you should fucking...
I wonder if they're like filming. You know how they have those like cop shows or like follow police or whatever and stuff like that? Because did you see this right here? Like this camera guy in the corner, he's been filming. He filmed pretty much the whole interaction. So I wonder if they got like a little TV show thing going on.
Supposed to be drinking alcohol?
A little bit.
Really? You're on special release for that?
Yeah, you should fucking be something that... You put me to my knees. I got fucking hurt knees already.
You were throwing punches.
Broken nose.
You were throwing punches and walking towards me.
Who the fuck are you?
Who are you?
Man, don't let me go. Let me go. Please let me go. I got a son out there.
Well, if you're worried about your son, you shouldn't be acting how you act.
Oh, really? They're older than you are.
So that doesn't mean anything.
Mentally. They're way older than you could ever be.
Okay. All right, Miss Heather. Go ahead and step out for me. Let's go. Come on. Stop. All right, come on. Face the wall.
I've been to the Connecticut.
Face the wall.
I'm not afraid.
Me neither.
I'm not afraid. I've lived bigger than you.
What does that have to do with it?
Okay then.
Go ahead and take a seat to the bench on the right.
Yes, sir.
Right here, the bench.
Side shooting you were, miss.
You know me.
I can't remember.
8.
In the end, Heather was charged with resisting an officer without violence. She initially pled not guilty, but later pled no contest and was adjudicated guilty. She was sentenced to 56 days in jail with credit for 56 days served. She was ordered to pay a total of $518, which remains entirely unpaid. If you like this video and want to see more like
Which remains entirely unpaid. He's funny. I could tell that's it sounds like a real person to me. I would be shocked if that's an AI. But it's pretty funny though. Which remains entirely unpaid. That's funny. But anyway, yeah, I mean, whatever. She sat in jail for almost 2 months. She didn't have the bond money to get out, so she had to sit. Not bad. I think the cops did a pretty good job. They get a 3 out of 5 from me. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.